Missing the classic Windows 10 taskbar layout? In Windows 11, Microsoft moved the Start button and taskbar icons to the center of your screen. But if you prefer the traditional left-aligned layout from Windows 10, I'll show you exactly how to change it back in under 60 seconds. Let's dive in. The process is surprisingly simple. First, right-click anywhere on an empty area of your desktop. From the context menu that appears, select Personalize. This opens your Windows 11 personalization settings. Scroll down until you find Taskbar and click it to open the Taskbar settings. Once you're in the Taskbar settings, scroll down until you find Taskbar Behaviors. Click on it to expand this section. Inside Taskbar Behaviors, you'll see several options. The one we need is called Taskbar Alignment. By default, it's set to center, that's why your icons are in the middle of the screen. Click the drop-down menu next to Taskbar Alignment and select Left. The moment you do this, watch your taskbar, the Start button and all your icons instantly shift to the left side, just like Windows 10. If you ever want to switch back to the centered layout, simply return to this same setting and change it back to center. And that's it! You've successfully restored the classic Windows 10 taskbar alignment to your Windows 11 system. No third-party software needed, just a quick settings adjustment. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.